Okay, number 9, 2 more questions. Number 10, it says out of 30 questions, Ahmed answered 12 of them incorrectly. It's asking what percent of the questions did he answer correctly? Okay, so I have out of 30 questions. And again, there's 2 ways of doing this. So I can kind of do this question both ways. So it says out of 30 questions. Out of 30 questions can be done denominator. Ahmed answered 12 of them incorrectly. So 12 out of 130 are incorrect answers. So these guys are going to be the fraction here will be my incorrect answers. What we can do is 12 out of 30. We can convert this into our percent, and we can solve for this problem here, right? So if I multiply 12 out of 30 by 100%, I will get this. I can cross out a 10 here, so I can have 3, this will be a 10. 12 times 10 here is 120 divided by 3, which is going to be 120 divided by 3 here is 40%. So 40% of them are incorrect answers. So therefore, what is the percentage of correct answers? Well, I can simply just say that, and again, a percentage is out of 100%, right? So 100% is going to equal the number or the percent of correct answers plus the percent of incorrect answers, right? I know that this is going to equal, well, I don't know this guy, so I can say that this here is x or something like that. So let me say that let x here. Let x equals percent of correct answers. And I can simply just say that 100% here is going to equal x plus percent of incorrect answers, and I know it's 40%, right? 40% is this guy here. So I simply have to just isolate for x, right? So I can say that x here is going to equal 100. I can subtract 40% from both sides, which will give me 60%. So you can say, therefore, Ahmed answered 60% of questions correctly. And this here is our solution. And as you can see, this is the solution as well. So this is a good solution. Another way of thinking about this problem is how they thought of it. So they thought of it as 12 questions of Ahmed were answered incorrectly, he answered 18 of them correct, right? So you can take the total amount of questions, which is 30, and subtract the amount of incorrect answers to get the amount of correct answers. So 30 minus 12 is 18, and then they took this percent. So I would have 18 divided by 30. You multiply that by 100%, which would equal 60%. So either way, both of these logics will work. It's up to you how you want to solve this problem as well. And let me just do that logic for you as well. Oops. So again, I would have 30, which is the total amount of questions, minus 12, which is the number of incorrect answers, to get 18, which is the number of questions of correct answers, right? Correct answers. And what we can do is we can say now 18 over 30 will give us our percentage or fraction. We'll multiply that by 100% to give us our percent. And again, you can cross out the 3 here and cross out a 10 here. And you can divide both of them by 10 first before you do this kind of thing. 18 times 10 here is 180 divided by 3%, and this is equal to 60%. So again, both of these solutions make sense, so you can do that as well. So it's the equal sign, sorry, equals 18. So the solution is correct.